Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the various layers found in soil. These layers form a part of the soil profile, and understanding the soil profile can provide us with really valuable information about soil fertility and subsequent nutrient management. Soil profiles usually end when you reach hard rock, hard pan, or water. In the photo on the left, you can see someone has dug down and they've reached water. Then the photo on the right, you can see someone has dug down and they've reached hard rock. Within a soil profile, you will find different layers, which are referred to as horizons. Each horizon or layer is unique in its soil properties. So each layer is going to have different soil colors or different soil textures. Let's take a look at the various profiles, keeping in mind that not all soils are going to have all of these layers because every soil profile is unique. First, we have the O horizon, which is made up of lots of decomposed organic matter. This layer is often referred to as humus. Next, we have the A horizon, which consists of mineral matter mixed in with some humus. Then we have the E horizon, which is leached of clay, minerals, and organic matter, leaving a concentration of sand and silt particles of quartz or other resistant materials. Now, this layer is not present in all soils, but it's often found in older soils and forest soils. When you hear me talk about leached or leaching, I'm simply referring to draining. The B horizon is rich in minerals that have leached from the A or E horizons and have accumulated there. The C horizon is referred to as parent material because it consists of the Earth's surface deposits. It is literally the deposit at the Earth's surface from which the soil has developed. How cool is that? Finally, we have the R horizon, which is the bedrock itself. This layer is a mass of rock, such as granite, basalt, quartzite, limestone, or sandstone, that forms the parent material for some soils, but only if the bedrock is close enough to the surface to weather. And just a note that the R horizon is not actually soil. If you are lucky enough to own or have access to an excavator, you can dig down really deep to see a soil profile. Obviously, most of us don't have access to an excavator, so unfortunately, it's going to mean a lot of hard work, manually digging to get as deep down as you can to view a soil profile, but I do recommend it. It's actually really interesting. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos in the future.